Model, 2020 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 2900 Sportive S Great Spec spares or repairs. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 53,776. MOT, the 24th of August 2025. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, engine turns over but the timing belt has snapped. The engine will need replacing or repairing. Nice easy in and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, air con, 2 keys, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,295. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.